In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through an alternating press and hold on a Swiss ball. So firstly, I'm sat on the Swiss ball. I'm bang in the middle of the Swiss ball in terms of seated position, and my feet are slightly wider than hip width apart. I've got some dumbbells in my hands, which I'm going to place on my knees to start off. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to get into a shoulder press position. So as opposed to flinging the weights up like so, which you definitely don't want to do with heavy weights, we're actually going to bring the knee up on both sides, start to then bring the elbows in, and I've got now a position where I'm in what's called a neutral grip shoulder press. From here, I'm going to flare the elbows back. So now my elbows are in line with my shoulders. I've got a 90-degree bend at the elbow, and because we're doing alternating repetitions here, one side comes up. You'll notice with my left side here, I'm actually in a position where I'm holding an isometric contraction. So a contraction whereby I don't actually have any change in muscle length. So as one shoulder works doing the press, the other shoulder is working doing that isometric hold. So think of a plank when you can feel your core working, but you're not actually doing any physical movement. It's the same principle, that's an isometric contraction as well. So each time I'm bringing the weights up and back down to that position where I've got that 90-degree bend at the elbow. Once you've repeated for your desired amount of repetitions, alternating from side to side, you're going to bring your elbows in and then bring the weights back down to your start position. That's how to do an alternating press and hold. And again, you would repeat that for your desired amount of sets and repetitions.